Hi, Heidi here. Nice to talk to you today. Today we are gonna do a fun experiment. I have these new watercolor pencils. I haven't used it until today, and they are from Pentel. And I will show you how to use watercolor pencils in a fun way. It's really easy. All you need is paper, watercolor pencils, whichever brand is no problem with that, brushes, water, and a fine liner number 1.0. Now you need to decide what do you want to paint. I choose to paint flowers here. I know they don't look like flowers now, but they will. You will see. You can paint whatever you want. A galaxy, a tree, hearts, like the one I posted in my Instagram this week. Decide what you want and just let to do that. I am doing all the spirals here to do the little flowers, and you will see the result at the end. Now comes the fun part. Take your brush, the bigger one, and make it wet with water and start to dissolve the watercolors pencil, and you will see that this pencil just react like normal watercolors. They just dissolve the color and get a smooth texture. It's really easy to use, and you can combine the colors, you can mix the colors, you can blend the colors. It's really easy to use, and the effect is really nice. This color that I am using are pastel tones, but there are many varieties of watercolor pencils, and you choose what you have in your town and your supply store, or if you can find the same I am using, you will have the same result as I am. Do this until all the watercolors pencils are dissolved. Now that my flowers are dry, I am painting the stems and the little leaf with the green watercolor pencil. It's really easy to do, but you need to wait that the other flowers are dry, really dry, to make this other step. Just do this, and then we will continue. When we are finished with all the stems and leaf, we are gonna do the same process as we did before, but with a smaller number 0 brush, and we're making it wet in water and clean water, and just going through all the stems and leaf to dissolve the watercolors, to mix a little bit, to make like a garden. To finish this little nice piece, we are using a fine liner. I am using a bigger one, not the smallest one, to make this pop up. And just go through all the flowers or hairs of trees or whatever you are painting and do just little lines or bigger lines, whatever you want the effect to do. I am doing like small spirals to make the lines of a flower. I will do this with every one of the flower and stems and leaves. And now it's done. Super easy to use, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, mini tutorial. And if you like it, please let me know in the comments. And if you do the same as I did, please tag me in your post at Artjourneywithme, and I will see what you did. Have a wonderful day, and see you next time. Bye.